Hello there. Hello, teachers. Today, this is my part 2 of what I have created last time. So today, still, we'll learn how to create customized asynchronous recorded session. This time around, I'll be showing you sample of OBS screens. So let's start. Okay, so again, OBS is an open broadcaster software. It's free, and let's just move it here. It's an open source software for video recording and live streaming. Most gamers use OBS for their screen layout, and you can download it, and you can download and install it in obsproject.com. Okay, so this is a sample screen. So what is a screen? So I before I ended my presentation or my video last time, I've shown you a sample screen of what you can do for asynchronous video recording. So what are scenes? Scenes and sources are the meat of the OBS Studio. This is where you set up your layout. So right now, I only have my PowerPoint and my webcam. Very simple. And this is what you, for gamers, you add your games here when you want to stream your games, your webcams, other devices you'd like to add, and or media that you want in the input. So basically, as a teacher, if you want to put a lot of things on the screen while you're recording it, you can do that. Your students will appreciate that. So I'll show you a sample of social studies screen. Here I have webcam, VLC, and a downloaded image. So this is how it would look like. Yeah. So this is this is the screen layout I have for a social studies teacher, for a sample lang. But I'm not a social studies teacher, so this may look different from other social studies teachers out there. Um, let's have here a VLC. So the background is a downloaded image, and you see my webcam, and the third one is VLC. VLC is a video player recorder, and it's free. So what you can do behind the screen, you can just press play, just lower the volume, and that's it. So if you want the students to view whatever they'd like to see in Europe, yeah, something like that. You can have you can have the video downloaded and then upload it in, or put it in your recording. Again, since your students cannot go to Europe, bring Europe to them. Okay, so you can fast forward the video. Well, it's up to you. How do you do it? So that's how you create your social studies screen. In my case, ito lang yung sample ko. Okay, I have another one. Okay, let's just pause that one. I have here another one, which is a math scene. So this one is a math scene involving, oh sorry, I'll just go back to later. Okay, for math scene, it involves my PowerPoint. Okay, I'll just pull up my PowerPoint over here. It's my PowerPoint on the one on top. It's my PowerPoint, and the one in here sa kabila side ko would be another open source software that you can use. So I'll just show you my PowerPoint. It's still moving. If I will click on it, it will move. There. So if I have to go back, ayusin ko lang. Balik lang tayo dun sa PowerPoint. This is my PowerPoint. I think I used last 2017. I taught math for grade 9, and this one is all about rational algebraic expression. So if you want to show them how to solve, just pull out the open board. That's it. Let's try to solve. Let's say you want to answer that one. So 20 x to the 4th y3 over pardon for my handwriting. I'm just using my mouse. Okay, I'm just using my mouse. If you have a stylus and a drawing mat, you can do that easily. So, so I have that one. I'll just change the color to, let's say, red, just to emphasize what you'd like to cancel. This is natural algebraic expression. So you'd like to cancel that one, leaving you y over here. Canceling this one will leave you x on this side. 20 and 35 can be cancelled. You'd have 4 and 7. Oh, naalala ko pa math ko. And then you can write your answer. Finally, would be 4x over 7y. And that's the final answer. So that's how you can use this one to show how to solve a certain problem, certain equation that you'd like to show. You want them to answer. Again, it would be better if you have a stylus pen beside you, or you can have a stylus pen that you can easily write down. Medyo ano lang, primitive, because we're just using mouse lang ginagamit ka. Okay, that's for math. Now this one is for science. So this one is what I like. Okay, for science, I have here my I included, or tingnan nyo, umakit na yung aking webcam. And then here we have the internet browser, so that I could look for different chemical equations. I'm just teaching, let's say, teaching chemical equation, and that's it. Different types of chemical equation. And then below my webcam is an app, another app. This one is a screen mirroring app, so it mirrors whatever shown on my phone screen. So here I have the beaker app. I don't know why it's not moving. Yeah, it's moving. Now it's moving. It's copying whatever I have here. So for example, I'd like to add what's this? Sulfuric acid. So if you know this, there's sulfuric acid, and then let's add aluminum. Okay, if you notice, there's a chemical reaction happening, and that's it. And it also shows what is the reaction. So this is an app that science teachers can use. Chemistry, for those who teach chemistry. It's safe. You don't have to go to the laboratory. It's a simulation. And I think yung app, the phone app, is true to what it's doing. So tama lahat yung ginagawa. So maybe students can add different chemicals and stuff. Most of the time, your students, if they're inside the lab, they would do that even without your permission. So here it's safe. Walang burns, walang chemical accidents, but then they will appreciate what is being taught to them. That's for science. Okay, so just to show you what are the things that I have, what examples I gave for each screen. So again, for social studies, I have my webcam, my PLC, my downloaded image, the one in the background. And then for math, I have the webcam, and then the open board is where you write your solution. Again, it's free. There are different apps you can use. So merong Paintbrush, MS Paint. You can also use that well as your white screen, and then the PowerPoint. Then the last one is for science. We have the webcam, and then the A power mirror to what do you call this one? Mirror whatever's on your phone. And then for the beaker, for the phone app, and then Google Chrome, just to scroll different examples of chemical reactions. So to end, okay, you can make as many scenes as you can. You can move from one scene to another depending on what you need. Can be imaginative and creative. Just be imaginative and creative. I know you can create better scenes than what I have shown. You can level it up. You can do a lot of things about it. Okay. As a teacher, we want our students to be be enticed with what we are teaching them. We want them to draw them to us. So makikita nila na we are putting effort in what we are doing. So that's it. So again, happy streaming, teachers. And again, this year would be a really different and a challenging, but an exciting one. Again, this is Sir G. Thank you. Goodbye.